Sister Wives may not be renewed if Meri, Janelle, and Kody Brown get their own spin-off following their split from Kody Brown. The Brown family's story began in the 1990s when Kody married Meri, Janelle, and Kody. The polygamous patriarch started building a family with all three of his wives, eventually having 13 children over the next 2 decades. In 2010, Kody decided to expand his family further by marrying Robyn Brown, with whom he had 2 children. Between 2011 and 2020, Kody neglected his other families and focused all his attention on Robyn, becoming self-centered and disinterested in polygamy. Kody had a difficult time dealing with Meri, Janelle, and Kody during the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020. He enforced his rules on them, which caused them to feel more distant from him. In November 2021, Kody officially ended her relationship with Kody in search of true love. She found David Woolley, and they tied the knot with him in October 2023. Likewise, Janelle also distanced herself from Kody and started prioritizing her health and spending more time with her children. Meri followed suit, leaving Kody to focus on herself and her own inner peace. Sisters Wives Season 20 won't happen if Janelle, Kody, or Meri get a spin-off. Sister Wives has been one of the network's most successful shows, airing since 2010 with 19 seasons filled with trauma. Unfortunately, recent divorces between Kody and Meri, Janelle, and Kody have led to rumors of the show's possible cancellation. One major reason for the potential end of the show in 2025 is the possibility of a spin-off featuring Janelle, Kody, and Meri. There is some suggestion that the trio may have their own spin-off to tell their individual stories. Sister Wives may end if the network decides to cast them in separate programs. Kody and Robyn will likely never get a spin-off. The newly monogamous couple is happily married and has everything they need. They live in a $1 million home, have money, and don't seem to be facing any trouble. While Kody and Robyn make a fuss about past trauma and the end of polygamy, they haven't taken any significant action to address it. The two are probably content in an exclusive relationship, as that is how they've lived for the last 5 years. The Brown family might finally be ready to move on from Sister Wives. TLC's Sister Wives may come to an end because the Brown family storyline is reaching its conclusion. When Kody first appeared on TV, he had 4 marriages and several teenage children. Their numerous responsibilities made their lives intriguing to watch. In 2025, Kody is leading a stable life with his wife, Robyn. His ex-wives have moved on and pursued their own goals, including launching their own businesses and keeping busy. Most of Kody's children have also moved out. Therefore, it may not make sense for the network to continue Sister Wives if the original cast members have grown apart.